Decontaminate tabletop and bench with sterile wipes and alcohol. Use new surface of wipe for each wiping. Bare hands need to be scrubbed prior to donning the first sterile gloves. Wipe down the packaging using the sterile wipes and alcohol prior to retrieving the sterile content. Carefully retrieve the content from the packaging. When donning, need to avoid bare hands touching the external surface of the gloves. Grip firmly at the folded cuff and slide the other hand into the glove. Pull the folded cuff towards the wrist. Slip the fingers of the gloved hand into the folded pocket of the folded cuff. Slide the other hand into the glove and unfold the cuff over the sleeve. Using the gloved hand, unfold the cuff until it overlaps the sleeve. Retrieve the outer glove. Grip firmly at the folded cuff and slide the other gloved hand into the outer glove. Pull the folded cuff towards the wrist. Slip the fingers of the sterile hand into the pocket formed by the folded cuff. Slide the other gloved hand into the sterile gloves and unfold the cuff over the sleeve. Use the sterile hand to unfold the cuff of the first sterile glove until it overlaps the sleeve.